Alright, you guys, we're gonna make some game day meatballs, you guys. So let's get into making them. These are all the ingredients you need: barbecue sauce, meatballs. So if you're going to Sam's Club, Costco's, snatch you up a bag, pretty reasonable price, and for game day. So let's get into it. It's not gonna be a long video, so it's gonna be real quick and easy and very simple. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is add some liquid smoke. I want to have a little smoky taste. So this is a hickory liquid smoke. You can put in your beans or barbecue. Since we're not putting that on the grill, I just still want to have a little grill taste. Like I said, it's game day, so you want to still have a little flavor on there. What you definitely want to do now is add in a little bit of beef bouillon. So probably about 1 tablespoon of beef bouillon. You can do beef broth or whatever like that. I'm gonna add some water into it so we can start cooking it. So let's do that now. All right, so add about probably half a cup of water, and that's it. And what we're gonna do is put the temperature on high, let it come to a heat. This actually knock off the chill, because most of the time when you're buying meatballs from the store, you can do this from scratch, but we're talking about simple and easy recipes, especially for game day, because who wants to be sitting around there slaving behind the stove while the game is on? So real simple and easy. So what I'm gonna do is let this come to a boil, and this is to knock the chill off of it, and then we're gonna add in the barbecue sauce. All right, to elevate the flavor, just add about, say, half a cup of sherry wine, and that's it, or your favorite white wine. That's my little tip. All right, so next we're gonna put in the barbecue sauce. All right, so now all you gotta do is just add your barbecue sauce. You got all your ingredients in there. Just top it off. Now you can actually finish this off in the oven if you want to bake your barbecue meatballs. But it's up to you. And you can just do it all in one pan. So just add enough. Don't brown it. Some people like to brown their meatballs in there. I like the little glaze over my meatballs, so I can toss it around. So they ain't sitting up there drowning in it, but it's gonna get some flavor. So I'm gonna mix this around, mix this all in, make sure it's fully coated. Lower the temperature down on low, and just stir it around. Make sure all the meatballs are fully covered, top to bottom. And like I said, you can stick it in the oven. Leave foil off and get a little toast on the top of it so you can get a little glaze. Or if you're in a rush, just keep it like this. All right, you guys. So let me know if you hooked up some meatball. I know some of you guys are gonna talk about, oh, you can do it from scratch. Yeah, but we're talking about saving time. You're trying to watch the game. We're not trying to spend too much time in the kitchen trying to get back to your guests. Just one way to go about doing it. Just go over there, grab a store. Invite some meatballs. Now, I like this one. These are Italian because they have a good flavor in them. Not all meatballs from the store are really good, but these are amazing from Sam's Club. All right, you guys, so let me finish this up, and then we're almost done. Now, we're all done. All we're just going to do is put it in the pan for your party, you guys. And that's all it is. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you tried it. About to get ready to start it up with the game. Actual game coming on right now. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Let me know about any other, party tips for some games that you would like me to hook up. All right, see you next time.